My YouTube family, this is your girl Avneet and I'm praying and hoping that each one of you is in the best of their health, and in these difficult times I wish lots and lots of strength. There are many factors that plays an important role in the texture of our skin. With growing pollution or change in the weather condition, we need to make certain regime changes to help protect our skin. After all, who would want a dull and dry skin? So in today's video, I will be talking about my most favorite product, which is L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have spoken in length about this one in my previous video, and if you haven't watched it, click on the icon here. You guys know that this product has been a part of my daily routine and I totally love the results. This serum has the right percentage of HA concentration, which is 1.5%, making it the best HA serum available in the market. This serum is so lightweight and non-sticky, and the best part is it absorbs quickly into your skin. L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum is free from any alcohol, color, parabens and fragrance, thus making it suitable for any skin type, including sensitive skin types as well. I have been using this product for 3 months now and look how fresh and radiant my skin looks. Now, what more can you desire from a serum? We teenagers need to focus on skincare, and even my dermatologist recommends to start taking care of your skin from your early 20s. Also, this product can be used for any age group, and try L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask for added hydration to skin once or twice a week. Trust me guys, you will love the results. So just recently, L'Oreal Paris has launched a revolutionary product with HA in it called Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream. Now we all know that layering the products with the same ingredients amplifies the results, and you start to see better and visible results. So this is going to be one powerful duo in skincare for me for hydrated, plump, soft and radiant looking skin. L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel comes in this cute packaging. This translucent pearly gel will just glide across your face. It is absolutely non-sticky and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a sensation of hydrated velvet skin. This product feels super comfortable on the skin and is the perfect texture for our kind of weather. This cream is validated by dermatologists, which makes it suitable and safe for all skin types. L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream comes with microhyaluronic acid, and because of this gel penetrates deeper into the skin and gives us higher efficiency. It is an advanced technology that makes this cream so different from the other creams available in the market. By the way, did you know that hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1000 times its own weight in water? Because of this, using this product will maintain and lock the moisture in our skin. Adding HA in your skincare regime is a must once you turn 20. This is what the daily skincare regime looks like. I start with a clean face, take few drops of hyaluronic acid serum and dab on the face. I top it off with a pea-sized amount of L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream and dot it all over face and neck. Gently spread and massage the anti-aging day cream in circular motions till the face cream gets completely absorbed into the skin. I use both of these products twice daily for best results. The cream coming on top not only adds its own goodness to the skin but also traps in all the products underneath to make the ingredients even more effective. My skin is super smooth, soft, radiant and plump. So this was my powerful skincare regime. L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum is available in 2 sizes. And L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Gel Cream is also available in 2 sizes. Check the links in the description box below. And for more such beauty related videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next on my YouTube channel. I love you so much. Mwah! Take care. Bye-bye.